Hey guys, today I'll be doing Mario and Mickey Mouse fun. Pete the cat. Yep. Let's get right into it. That breakfast was so delicious. Yeah, it was. What should we do now? I don't know. Well, I kind of am a little bit tired. I ate our pancakes there. I'm going to sleep. Okay. So I guess he's in bed. I'm gonna go for a walk. This walk is giving me good exercise. I'm a little bit tired. I don't really have some water with me or anything. Oh, come on! I'm gonna have to go do something. Yeah, I should go to bed with Mario. I'm heading home. Wait. Meow. Oh, that's a cute cat. It's okay. You lost. Oh my god! What am I supposed to do now? You're trapped in my cage now. Oh, I woke up. Mickey Mouse said he's supposed to go for a walk. That's before I went to bed. But I heard some screaming. I'm gonna go check that out. Oh my god, I can't move. What am I supposed to do? An idea. I'm gonna call Mario. Oh, hey, Mickey Mouse. I finally heard from you. I'm trying to buy this cat. Do you think you can help me? Cat? You got kidnapped by a cat. Trust me, this cat ain't no cat. It's a big blue cat. Stands up like humans. I don't know what to do. Then just jumped. I was on the walk. It jumped on me. And just put me in this thing. I don't know what I'm going to do. On my way. See you soon, Mario. I found the cat. What you doing to Mario? You're a mouse. That's Cat's favorite food. I want you for breakfast. No, you can't eat me. I'm an ordinary mouse. I'm Mickey Mouse. Time to step in. Let him go. No, I will never let that puny little mouse go.
Mario, yes. Can you please tell me you're listening and going to eat me? Roger that, best bud.
Fine then. You want me one-on-one? Yeah, I want you one-on-one. Blah, 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 blah. Let him go. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, pshaw. Oh, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, boy. Oh, bam, bam. Oh, bam. Oh, bam. Oh, bam, 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 bam. Mario, bam. What the? Power slam. Boom. Now, let's finish this. Mario! Up in the air. Boom. Let me get you, Mickey Mouse. Thank you absolutely so much. Thanks, Mario. You really are my best friend. Who's it after all?